Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna guide you how to change the language and also the server for one click. Select extensions, one click, and here are some languages that you can choose from. For example, English. And after that, we may need to restart SketchUp. Next, to change the server, select extensions, one click, and server. The first server is for developer, and for users, we can use either server 1 or server 2. If there may occur any problem, we can switch between these two servers. So this is how we change the language and the server. Thank you for watching.